Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today, we're doing a little bit of bass fishing. I'm picking up my friend Travis here. I'm just waiting for him outside his house. Um, we've had a ton of rain last week. It sucked. I haven't been able to fish in so long. It's finally sunny out, at least, but everything is flooded. The river's really high. The creeks are all brown and washed out and everything. So even the lakes are brown from the creeks run into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to head up about an hour north to a lake that I know is fed by a spring creek. I don't think that it'll be brown. At the very least, it might be high, but we've done well there in the past. There's some big bass in there, but average probably 2-pounders. I'll take that, though. There are pickerel in there. They do stock it with trout, but that's probably out here in July, but that's the plan. So after I pick him up, we're going to grab some breakfast, and then we will be on the water. We've got about 3 or 4 hours to fish today, so hopefully we can catch a couple. I will see you on the water.
It was only 2 inches, but...
Where'd he go? Oh, got one.
Nice. What you got him on?
Head rig, just a little one.
Got the nice blue tails.
Water's actually cold. Like this bass is kind of cold.
Pretty cool.
It's really beat up. Got one. Got one. On the crankbait. Not a very big one, but I'll take it. Compared to what I've been getting, which is nothing. Oh man, look how he ate that. He just crunched it. Again, not a very big one, but it is a fish. There we go. I thought crankbait might get it with this. This water's a little dirty from all the rains. I thought it might be clear, but it's pretty dirty. So this crankbait. So where'd he go? Got another one. Very next cast. Again, not a big one. These fish are cold, which is fantastic for this time of year. Means they're pretty active. It's hooked so awkwardly. There we go, another little guy. But look at that back-to-back cast. Hopefully we can get us a better one. Alright guys, well that is going to do it for this video. As you can tell, I'm back home. Quick little video there. Ended up catching a couple little largemouth. I really wish I would have figured out the crankbait bite earlier because by the time I figured it out, we had about 20 minutes till we had to leave. We had other obligations that today, so but did catch a couple. So it was a fun afternoon to get out. Nice weather after all the rain that we've been having and everything. It was pretty nice. I think the crankbait worked so well because the water was kind of stained. I think from that rain. I didn't think this one would be, but it was, and I think that's why the crankbait was so killer. Not much else was really working, to be honest. But anyways, that's going to do it for this episode. I will see you guys next time on SC Outdoors.